Welcome back, friends. Today's first question: which of the following sultans established a city where Agra is now? Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firuz Tughlaq, Bahlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi. Correct option is D. Sikandar Lodi. In 1504 AD, Sikandar Lodi laid the foundation of Agra city. It replaced Delhi with Agra as the capital in order to control the Rajputana rulers. Next question: the name of the American journalist who was with Mahatma Gandhi during his Quit India movement was Louis Fisher, William L. Sieber, Webb Miller, Negley Ferguson. Correct option is A. Louis Fisher. During the India Quit movement of Mahatma Gandhi, American journalist Louis Fisher was active in India. Along with American intellectual Perlwak, Elder Snow, M.L. Sherman, Norman Thomas Fisher demanded Indian independence. Question number 3. On the first occasion, the Prime Minister of India was appointed Governor General British monarch Mahatma Gandhi Viceroy. Correct option is D. Viceroy. The Viceroy appointed the Prime Minister of India on the first occasion on September 2nd, 1946. Viceroy Babel administered the oath of office to a 12-member interim government under the leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 4. Where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? Delhi, Lahore, Bombay, Patna. Correct option is C. Bombay. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in 1885 AD in the building of Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College in Bombay. The conference was chaired by W.C. Banerjee. Question number 5. Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed in 1931 AD, in 1935 AD, in 1942 AD, in 1919 AD. Correct option is A. 1931 AD. There was an agreement between Gandhi and Irwin in March 1931, which is called Gandhi-Irwin Pact. As a result of this agreement, the Congress participated in the second roundtable conference, which was held in London. Gandhi attended that conference on behalf of the Congress. Question number 6. The song Bande Mataram was written by Jayaprakash Narayan, Rajendra Prasad, Birsa Munda, none of these. Correct option is D. None of these. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is the author of Bande Mataram song. This song has been taken from his famous novel Anand Math. Question number 7. Which of the following English officer defeated the Portuguese at a place called Soli? William Hawkins, Thomas Best, Josiah Child. Correct option is B. Thomas Best. Soli is located near Surat, where the English traveller Captain Best defeated the Portuguese in 1612 AD. After this, Jahangir allowed the British to establish a factory in Surat for trade. Question number 8. Which of the following was the Immediate cause of the first Carnatic War. Rivalry between British and French. Battle for the throne of Austria. The issue of the throne of Karnataka. Acquisition of French ships by British. Correct option is B. Battle for the throne of Austria. The first Carnatic War 1746 to 1408 AD. The war was succession of Austria which had started in 1740 AD was only an extension in Europe. Britain and France were a strong opponent of each other. Therefore, this opposition also had an effect in India, as a result of which there was a war between the British and French forces in 1746 AD, which ended by Treaty of Alaspal. Under this treaty, the first Carnatic War ended, and according to the treaty, the French gave back Madras to the British. Question number 9. Who was, sorry, who is the author of the invoice? Surdas, Kabir, Ravidas, Pipaji. Correct option is B. Kabir. Kabir's couplets are compiled in Bijak. Question number 10. The Persian weekly Miratul Akhbar was published. Lala Lajpat Rai, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Maulana Sibli Nomani. Correct option is B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy is called the father of Indian journalism. He published Miratul Akhbar in Persian and Sambad Kaumudi in Bengali. In 1823, John Adams imposed a ban on the press, forcing the publication of the Miratul newspaper to be stopped. Question number 11. Sir Thomas Munro is associated with land revenue settlement, permanent settlement, Mahalwadi settlement, Rayatwadi settlement, none of these. Correct option is C. Rayatwadi settlement. The government implemented the Rayatwadi system when the permanent settlement of land did not meet the criterion of the system. Sir Thomas Munro and Captain Reed, the then government of the Madras, made significant contribution in implementing this system. Question number 12. A book titled Indian Struggle was written on the Indian National Movement by Subhash Chandra Bose, by Pattabi Sitaramaiah, by Jawaharlal Nehru, none of these. Correct option is A. By Subhash Chandra Bose. The book Indian Struggle was composed by Subhash Chandra Bose. This book was written on the Indian National Movement. Question number 13. Who among the following called Muhammad Ali Jinnah the messenger of Hindu-Muslim unity? Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Aruna Asaf Ali. Correct option is A. Sarojini Naidu. After 1906, Muhammad Ali Jinnah emphasized national unity in all the meetings he had spoken. Impressed by this, Sarojini Naidu called Jinnah as ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity. Question number 14. Who was the author of Ghulam Giri? V.R. Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule, Mahatma Gandhi, Periyar. Correct option is C. Correct option is B. Jyotiba Phule. In 1872 AD, Jyotiba Phule composed a book called Gulamgiri. He founded the Satyajog Samaj in 1873 AD. Question number 15. Who represented Indian Christians in the first round table conference held in London? Rao Bahadur, Srinivas, Sir Akbar, Hyderabad, Sir A.P. Petro, K.T. Paul. Correct option is D. K.T. Paul. K.T. Paul represented Indian Christians in the first round table conference held in London. Question number 16 and last question. The creator of बीबी का मकबरा बाज, हुमायूं, शाहजहां, अकबर सेकंड, औरंगजेब. Correct option is D. Aurangzeb. बीबी का मकबरा is located in Aurangabad in the state of Maharashtra. This mausoleum called the second Taj Mahal built by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in 1678 AD in memory of his beloved Begum Rabia Durrani. Thanks.